Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how I got 50 golden eggs faster in Grow Garden Game Up Roblox new Easter update. Okay, let's get into it guys. I'm going to show you my golden eggs. Wait, and we will need the golden eggs to craft the candy blossom seed. We need 50 golden eggs. And as you can see, I have 60 golden eggs, and I'm going to show you how you can get the golden egg faster in the game. So guys, basically, if you want to get the golden egg faster, you need to join the event. Each event in Grow a Garden Easter update. The first one is this Evil Bunny event. You can sacrifice your plant, and then if you're lucky, you will get 1 golden egg or 3 golden egg. You can also join this event, the Egg War event. Wait, where is it? Let me show you. Okay, right here. The Egg War happens every hour in the game. So every hour, you need to stand by to join this event. This is the fastest way to get the golden egg. Let me show you the rewards. And for this event, guys, I would like to recommend you to play in your private server so you don't need to compete with the other players. And all the eggs which appears are yours. Okay, you can get the golden egg, and if you get this divine egg, you will have chance to get 10 golden eggs. And also this mythical eggs, it will give you 3 golden eggs. And yeah, just find the mythical one or the divine one, so you will get more golden eggs. And then the next method is this event, guys. This is new event from Easter Update Part 3. Okay, you need to submit the candy type lens, and I'm going to show you the reward here. Okay, this is individual reward. You will have chance to get the golden egg, okay, according to your score. So yeah, just keep joining the event to get the golden eggs faster. Okay guys, and that's how I got 50 golden eggs faster in Grow a Garden Game of Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!